Honeybees have developed one of the most intricate and efficient communication systems in the natural world. In a hive that can house tens of thousands of individuals, effective communication is essential for their survival. These small insects rely on a combination of physical movements, chemical signals, and even sound vibrations to share critical information about food sources, colony health, and potential threats. Let's explore the fascinating ways honeybees communicate and how their methods can help keep the hive functioning like a well-oiled machine. One of the most famous and visually striking forms of honeybee communication is the waggle dance. When a foraging bee discovers a rich source of nectar, pollen, water, or propolis, it doesn't just keep this information to itself. Instead, it flies back all the way to the hive and performs a choreographed dance on the comb. This dance is not just random, it's a precise map encoded in movement. The bee waggles its abdomen while moving in a figure-8 pattern. The direction of the straight line portion of the dance indicates the angle relative to the sun that other bees should fly to locate the resource. The duration of the waggle conveys the distance, with longer waggles signaling greater distances. This system allows bees to communicate the location of food sources up to several miles away, all without verbal language or physical maps. Interestingly, the waggle dance is also influenced by environmental conditions. Bees factor in the position of the sun, even compensating for its movement across the sky. And on cloudy days, they rely on ultraviolet light patterns that humans can't see to determine direction. It's an extraordinary example of how finely tuned their instincts and senses are to their environment. In addition to their dancing, honeybees use pheromones, which are chemical signals to communicate a wide range of messages. The queen bee plays a central role in this form of communication. She produces a unique blend of pheromones, often referred as the queen's scent, that permeates the hive. This scent reassures the workers that the colony is stable and unified under her leadership. It also suppresses the development of ovaries in the female worker bees, ensuring that only the queen lays eggs. If the queen dies or her pheromone levels drop due to age or illness, the hive immediately senses a change and begins raising a new queen to ensure the colony's survival. Worker bees also use pheromones in their daily activities. When the hive is under threat, guard bees release alarm pheromones to alert the colony. These pheromones have a sharp, citrusy smell and trigger an aggressive defensive response in the worker bees. This is why bees sometimes seem to attack in unison when their hive is disturbed. They're responding to a chemical call to arms. Another pheromone, called the nasinative pheromone, is used for orientation. Bees release this pheromone by raising their abdomens and fanning their wings, creating a scent trail that helps guide other bees back to the hive or to a swarm. Sound and vibrations also play a role in honeybee communication. For instance, when the hive is preparing to swarm, a natural process where the part of the colony leaves to form a new colony. The queen and worker bees exchange vibrational signals to coordinate the process. Worker bees will toot and quack by vibrating their wings against the comb, signaling the readiness of new queen cells or the departure of the swarm. Vibrational signals are also used during brood care, with worker bees vibrating to encourage pupa to develop more quickly under certain conditions. Each form of communication serves a specific purpose, and together they create a highly efficient system that allows the hive to adapt and respond to changing conditions. When foragers locate a food source, they don't just share its location, they also assess its quality. If the food is rich in nutrients or abundant, they will perform more enthusiastic dances, inspiring more bees to check it out. Conversely, if a resource is poor or dangerous, they'll avoid advertising it altogether. The honeybee's communication system is not just fascinating, it's essential to their survival. Every member of the colony, from the queen to the youngest worker, plays a role in maintaining this flow of information. Whether it's through the waggle dance, pheromones, or vibrations, honeybees demonstrate a level of cooperation and efficiency that humans can only admire. Their ability to work together as a superorganism, sharing complex information with simple yet effective methods, is one of nature's most incredible achievements. So the next time you see a honeybee buzzing around a flower or around your swimming pool, remember that it's not just collecting nectar or water, it's part of a highly organized network, constantly communicating and contributing to the success of its hive. From the tiniest vibration to the subtlest chemical signal, honeybees remind us of the power of collaboration and the beauty of nature's designs.